It is a situational question, and actually it gives you the environment and the type of a project. So what does environment mean? Environment means you are doing a project with diverse stakeholders, and it also gives you the information about project, that you are doing a AI based project, you are doing a research project where you need to learn a lot of things. So at one end you are dealing with multiple stakeholders, and another end you have to do a project whose outcomes or outputs are still unclear and you want to deliver the project. So during the project, when we do these kind of projects, we try to provide training. One of the key issue is when we try to do trainings to our team members, we focus on technical trainings, we provide them technical knowledge, but we don't focus on other aspects of the training needs. So from this perspective, I wrote this question so that you can understand the training needs of the team. If you look at the options, so option A says you need to provide artificial intelligence training. Yes, as you are doing the technical project, it's a highly dependent project, you can provide a technical training, because I'm asking you which training you are not going to do, or which is your least preference. So I would say it's one of your highest preference and the most preferable training that you want to deliver or you want to provide to your team. Then the second thing says power and politics trainings. Probably you would say, I'm doing a research project, why I need to deliver a power and politics training? This is very important. One of the key thing is, as a project manager, I need to focus on my interpersonal skills, but as well as I want to focus on my team interpersonal skills too. I manage multi-billion projects where I have to deal with diverse stakeholders, and I face problem when my technical team is unable to handle the power, politics and office issues. And we are stuck to guide the team, we are stuck to manage them. So it is very critical that you focus on these kind of a training, and you should guide them, train them how to handle these issues. So again, from this perspective, we are managing diverse stakeholders and research projects, so you need to manage these things, right? So this is the right thing to do, and this is not the right option in this scenario. Then the third option is emotional intelligence training. It's kind of a leadership training where you need to lead your team and you need to guide them how to manage the situation. So this is again a critical training. You should provide your team this kind of training during the project or after the project. And another important aspect is, I have critically mentioned that although you are doing a research project, but you will be using this knowledge in further projects. So if you are using, or if you are going to use the team for further projects, you should invest on option A, B and C type of training. But when it comes to option number D, agile project management training, generally when you talk about agile project management, you can give this training to project manager, but I'm talking about the team. So this is the least preferred option to provide the agile project management training. If you want to provide training, it's good, you can go for the agile project management training, but this is not the preferred or the first choices of the training. So the answer of this question is option number D. Those who have answered it correctly through understanding, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.